Good morning students. I am Dr. Karthik, Department of Textile and Fashion Designing. Now we are going to discuss about this single jersey pawn winding machine. This is one type of fabric manufacturing machine. So we already know that there is a four type of fabric manufacturing methods available. One is weaving, that called as the woven, and second thing knitting, third non-woven, fourth one is the braiding. So in that second process, knitting we classified into warp knitting and weft knitting. In weft knitting, again we classified into three type. One is single jersey, and second one rib, third one interlock. Now we are going to discuss about first one, single jersey knitting machine. This is the basic single jersey knitting machines. So we look at the top to bottom of the machines. In top, it placed it placed cone at the creel section. This is the creel. Okay, the creel used to hold the cone. So number of creel present at the top of the machines, and here in these machines there is the 18 cone placed here. The yarn unwind from the cone and it passed into the thread guide. Thread guide also passed present at the top of the machine. You can see the top of the machines top, and then finally the yarn from thread guide to this stop motion. This is the electronic stop motion present at the surrounding of the machines. This is electronic stop motion. It placed between the thread guide and the feeder section. So what is the use? It used to stop the loom whenever the yarn to be cut. Okay, so this is a electronic stop motion with control of the electronic power, and then we come to the feeder. So this is the feeder. Totally 18 feeders available in these machines. It placed on the top of the knitting zone. This is the knitting zone. It also placed at the top of the knitting zone. It used to feed the yarn into the needle section, right? So needle also placed at the inside of the machines. Here you see, this is the needle. The yarn also passed into the needle with help of these feeders. Okay, the yarn feed into the needle, and the needle make the yarn into the loop with assist of the sink near to the needle. So here totally 1200 needles present the surrounding of the machines, and 1200 singers also present at the near to the needle. It also assists the needle to form the loop. So here cam, needle and feeder, sinker, there is the four knitting elements present in the knitting zone. It also helpful to make the fabric into the tubular form. Okay, now we are looking the fabric. The fabric already formed with the help of the knitting needles and cam, sinker, etc. So the formed tubular cloth passed into the take-up roller. The take-up roller just placed here this position, and it rotate in the opposite directions. The fabric to be pulled and wind on the cloth rollers with the help of this drive. Okay, now we start the machine with press of green button. Just press that and move the lever from right to left. Now running. Okay, now we are look at the core. So yarn unwind from the core bone and passed into the guide. Again it passed into the stop motion. Then finally come to the here you see the yarn passed into the feeder. The feeder feeds the yarn with uniform tension into the needle. The needle makes the yarn with the form of the loop.
Okay students, that's all single jersey weft printing machine. Okay, if you have any doubt, please you can ask me. Thank you.